In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove a logo from a Klaviyo email. Whether you're updating your email design or simply want a cleaner look, removing a logo can be a simple task. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open the email template in Klaviyo where the logo is located. Once you have your email template open, hover your mouse directly over the logo block. This block is typically an image block or a header block positioned at the very top of your email. As you move your mouse over it, you should see a few icons appear. This is Klaviyo's way of letting you know that the block is selected and ready for editing. Next, you'll notice a small trash can icon appearing on the right side of the block. This represents the delete option. Click on this icon. Don't worry, you won't be making any permanent changes just yet. Clicking the trash can icon will prompt a pop-up window to appear, asking you to confirm your action. It's Klaviyo's way of making sure that the removal of the block is intentional. In the pop-up window, you'll see the option to click Delete Block. Go ahead and click this to confirm you want to remove the logo block from your email. This step is crucial as it finalizes the removal of the block. Once you click Delete Block, the logo should disappear from your email template, leaving you with a cleaner design. Now that you've removed the logo, it's important to save your changes to ensure your email reflects the new design. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the template editor. Click Save to finalize all the changes you've made. This step ensures that the next time you open the email or send it out, the logo will no longer be there. And that's it. You've successfully removed the logo from your Klaviyo email. If you ever need to add a different logo or image back to your email, simply go to the Add Blocks section and choose the type of block you want to insert. Klaviyo makes it easy to customize your emails to fit your brand's style and needs. Remember, if you're experimenting with different designs, it's a good idea to preview your email before sending it out. This way, you can see exactly how it will look to your recipients and make any additional tweaks if necessary. Thanks for watching this quick guide on how to remove a logo from a Klaviyo email. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on optimizing your email marketing. Have a great day.